A test data report is a document that provides information about the test data used during the testing process. This report is crucial for ensuring that the test data is accurate, representative, and covers various scenarios. Here are key features typically included in test data report. Document information, title, version, revision history of the document, date of creation and last modification, introduction, overview of the purpose and scope of the document, reference to the related documents such as the test plan and test environment specification, test data overview, general description of the types of test data used in the testing process, explanation of the role of test data in testing activities, testing test data requirements, specific requirements and criteria for the test data, considerations for volume, variety, and representativeness, source or test data, information on where the test data is sourced from, whether it is generated, obtained from production, or acquired from other sources, data generation process, procedures for generating synthetic or simulated test data, tools and methods used for data creation, data extraction process, procedures for extracting test data from production or other sources, considerations for data anonymization and privacy, data storage, details on how test data is stored and managed, database systems, file formats, and storage locations, data refresh and reset, guidelines for refreshing and or resetting test data to ensure consistency, frequency and procedures for maintaining the data versioning, information on the versioning of the test data, ensures alignment with application versions and other testing activities, data security, measures taken to secure and protect sensitive test data, assess controls and encryption considerations, data dependencies, identification of the dependencies on other components, systems, or activities, ensures that the test data is synchronized with the application under test, data relationships, information on relationships between different sets of test data, ensure that dependencies and constraints are considered, test scenarios covered, overview of the test scenarios or use cases covered by the test data, confirmation that the data represents various real-world scenarios, data constraints, any limitations or constraints related to the test data, constraints on the use of certain data values or scenarios, data anomalies, identification of any anomalies or issues discovered in the test data, steps taken to address or mitigate these issues, review and approval, sections for documenting the review and approval process, signatures or acknowledgements from relevant stakeholders. A well documented test data report ensures transparency and traceability in the testing process, helping teams understand and manage the complexities associated with test data. It contributes to the reliability and effectiveness of testing activities.